So I'm going to show you why you've been losing money trading the crypto futures market, and it's very simple. You are over leveraging. So a lot of people, I see that most people, they have $10 to trade with, $20 to trade with, and you're over leveraging. Let's say you want to take this trade ZK and you click on your long position, and all you want to do is to come over to your leverage. This is your leverage, and then you put, they say you can customize, so you have up to 25x and you take it all the way to 25. What you're doing is invariably hurting yourself because your capital is very little, and if you're going to use such a high leverage within a twinkle of an eye, you're going to be stopped out because the market is very volatile. And if you've not calculated your take profit, your stop loss, and all of that, you're going to be stopped out of the market or completely be liquidated, which I see a lot of people doing. I have been liquidated because I used I think I used 20x with a small account. Within a twinkle of an eye, I was liquidated out of the market. So one thing you should stop doing for you to stay profitable is to stop over leveraging. Stop over leveraging. Calculate your profit, your take profit, and the capital you have, and see how you can use a small leverage to actually consistently make profit. So let's say I have $20 and I want to trade this coin in isolated, even though I love using leave cross because it makes me stay longer in the market and until I decide to leave the market. Okay, so let's say I'm using isolated and I'm using $20 or $10 as the case may be. I will come to my leverage and send it to either 2x or 3x. So let's leave it at 3x. So if I'm using $20, that $20 is 20 times 3, that will be 60. So I'm trading the market with $60. So out of that $60, if I'm looking at making 10% out of that $60. 10% of $60 is what? $6, right? So if I'm saying I'm going to make 10% out of that $60, this is how I'm going to calculate it. I'm going to take this current price. Yeah, this current price of ZK. So this is the current price of ZK. Okay, that's the current price of ZK. So I'll take that current price and then I will do it by 10%. So I'll do 0.04631. Let me show you something. 4631. So this is the calculator now. So the price of ZK is 0.04631 percent 10. We're doing 10%. So let's say we want to do 10%. Remember, we are trading with $60. That's our money multiplied. Our $20 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 60. That's what we are entering the market with. Okay, so and let's say we are entering the ZK trade right here at 0.04631. And we are looking to get 10% out of the market. So this is how you're going to calculate it. You're going to do 0.04631% 10, and you will get 0.004631. Now what you're going to do is to remove the 10% and add that 0.004631. So your take profit is going to be, your 10% take profit is going to be at 0.050941. So when the price gets to 0.050941, you're going to be leaving the market. That's where you're going to set your take profit, and you've made your $10 for the day, your 10% for the day, which is $6, and you're out of the market. It's as simple as that. Okay, so you should have something that when you're trading, it doesn't give you high blood pressure. It doesn't make you feel so overwhelmed and necessarily looking at the screen because you're using so much outrageous leverage. So if you want to stay consistent and profitable, this is one of the things you need to checkmate. This is one of the things you need to fix. The second thing you need to fix is, see, it's okay to watch people. It's okay to look at all the flashiness in the internet and all the people that are showing that they are successful traders. I want to be like them. I want to copy them. The thing is, at the end of the day, you discover that you're just running a rat race. So what you should do is sit down and talk to yourself and see, out of all the strategies that you've been experimenting with, that you've been doing, which one is really serving you? Which one is really serving you? And come up with your own strategy, come up with something. And remember that even if you come up with your own strategy, it's not always going to be 100%. Okay, there are some weeks that you'll be in a losing streak. There are some weeks that you'll be in a profitable streak. So we know that this is the market. So these are the things you need to put in order. These are just the two I want to mention for you to fix in order for you to see good and positive results. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, for now, take care, and I wish you more greens and more profits. Bye.